You know what? I don't like heights, you know, so even looking up's making me feel queasy.
Brum biker, yeah, na 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 na. Ooh. This is the Brum biker, Brum rider. Give your bike a rev, then put down your visor. Yeah.
We're outside again. Yeah, these ends are hot, by the way. For those who don't know, up here so it's hot. Nice new builds there. So imagine you got these nice new builds there, and just round the corner, it's just looking crazy. I wonder what the house prices are like up here. Oh my god! Look! No sir. No sir. I don't think I've ever been around here. Yo, I could use that thing there for my garden right now, don't you? Right, which way am I gonna go? Oh, do you know what? We'll go this way. Oh, the bus terminal. Oh, do you know what? I know where I am. I used to come up here all the while. So I used to have this job, yeah, where I had to. Oh, man, it was long. So I used to do a night shift at the airport, then straight from the night shift when I finished at 7, yeah, man had to go all the way from the airport to Nechells, grab a minibus, come all the way up this way and drop some students to college, mate. Oh mate, and then go home, get some sleep, pick them back up in the evening, drop the bus back, and then go to work in the night. Mad. Can't do them thing there again, Bridget. I'm too old. Well, yeah, man. They paid off. It's crazy. Absolutely crazy. But yeah, family, we are in Druids Heath right now. And yeah, this is another area that looks a little bit mad. So don't forget, family, if you're new to the channel, like up the video, subscribe, drop a comment, make sure you share it, and turn them notifications on, please and thank you. Please, please, please. I try and give you guys content every day, 7 days a week. I haven't had a day off since the 10th of January. And guys, oh my, look at the state of the, oh man, oh my god, oh my god. You know what? I don't like heights, you know, so even looking up's making me feel queasy. Rotted. Oh my gosh. Ross. Yeah, over here is looking mad. Druids Heath, man, what's going on? Like, I'd like to know, yeah, what, like, when it comes to clearing up all of this, who's going to do that? Do you know what I mean? After when the council's finished doing their foolishness, are they going to just come out and just scrape up everything? Are they just going to knock down all these buildings and do it then? Like, rah, I don't know. Anyway, I digress. That's fucking crazy. I mean, look. I could imagine, yeah, you got people that are quite vulnerable who, I don't know, maybe they must smoke the food, or they're literally fully vulnerable and maybe they are asleep in them. Do you know what I mean? Yeah, they're probably all asleep in there because it looks like someone's took the door off that block of flats, isn't it? And it's funny because I had a brethren that used to live in there, and so I remember when it was active. You get me? So Yeah, that's crazy still. Hollywood! Ain't no one trying to go to Hollywood over here. So yeah, we just left Druids Heath, so we are going towards King's Heath. You see that road there? Mate. If you know, you know. But yeah, family, don't forget, man, anybody that decides that, you know what, I want to buy Brum bike car drink, you know, or me want help fuel the movement, because it's not free if you come out here, you know what I mean? There's no pressure and all that, but everything's much appreciated. And big up to those who's already donated. Let's start there. Big up to anyone that has ever donated to the Brum biker movement. Or should I say platform? I don't know. Do you get me? Big up, man. Much appreciated. You know what I mean? You keep me going. You keep me wanting to do it. Do you know what I mean? Even though I do it anyway, it don't bother me. Even if not a penny come this way, I'm still doing it. Do you know what I mean? I'm still doing it, but I appreciate those that do. I appreciate those that will. So let's go around there. Let's go around here. Oh, it's a care home. What are these flipping no free roads, man? What the hell? So I think what I'm doing now, family, I'm going to try a new format in it. So I'm going to do a nice big circle more time. I'm trying to think how to do it more efficiently in it. So I'm going to try this method. A nice big loop, ride for about an hour or so, and just chop that up instead of doing separate segments. But it just depends, and it depends what's happening. It depends how I feel. It depends what's going on. Oh, am I going? Yeah, am I going to drop off the money? But yeah, that's what I'm gonna try. You get me? All that good that fish and chip shop is there. Family, anybody who knows about that fish and chip shop, let me know, man. What's it saying? Is it fire or is it dead? Let me know. You know King's Heath High Street, you know what just come to my head, yeah? Who remembers a shop called International Stock? International Stock, man. I remember when I was younger, man. You know when I used to hear say my mum's going to International Stock? It's them day when I don't feel well, you know, when, you know, I don't feel like going to school because my belly's hurting, I got a headache, I got this ache, a that ache, a finger ache, a toe ache. You get me? And all is well as soon as after 9 o'clock come and it's confirmed that I'm not going to school. Oh shit. Well, I laugh now, but it's really bad. If my kids was on that, yeah, it'd be a problem. Definitely be a problem.